Hello everybody, I am in Canastota, South Dakota, and I am here to show you the Siren. It's right there. As you can see, I'm going to make this quick because we got to go to the game. And there you get a view of it. It is a Whelen Vortex. I'm assuming this is the fire hall, that's why I have it here. Pretty nice. Take pictures of it quick and hurry because I don't have time to screw around. But there it is, really nice. I'd go over there, but the windows are open and I don't want to be nosy. But that's the Siren right there. I'm so happy I made it here to take pictures. It's nice. It's a Whelen Vortex. I just wanted to show you. I'd go over around there, but there's windows open. But there it is. I made a couple pictures, snap a few pictures while I'm here. Yep, that's the Whelen. All of McCook County is Whelens. I'll take a back picture here too of it real quick because I don't have time to screw around here. I got it. So here's my final picture break of it right here, and there you have it. So I just wanted to show you that quick. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.